Add products, services in QuickBooks Online. You can add a product or service from sales. Select products and services. Or you can click this new button, select add product or service. In this screen, you can add a product by clicking this new, and you can enter product details. You can select new, and you can select service, inventory item, non-inventory item, bundles, or batch import. First, we will select inventory item. Here you can enter the item name. You can select item type as inventory item. You can enter SKU. If you have product categories, you can select product categories. You can add a new product category from add new button, and you can enter the category name, and you can save. If you want, you can add an attachment for this item. You can enter inventory information. If you have any opening balance or initial quantity, you can enter that initial quantity, and you can select the as of date for this initial quantity. Next, you can enter reorder point, and you can select the inventory asset account. You can enter sales description. If you want, you can add different sales description, or you can keep the same description. And here you can enter the price, selling price, and you can select income account for selling this item. This income account will update. If this price is inclusive of sales tax, you can select sales tax, or you can tick this price is inclusive of sales tax. If this is exclusive price, you can uncheck this checkbox. Next, you can select tax rates, sales tax. Next, you can enter purchasing details. You can enter the purchasing description. You can enter purchase price, and you can select the expense account when you are selling this item, which cost of sales account or which expense account should update. And this cost is inclusive of purchase tax. If this is the inclusive price, you can check this option, or if it is an exclusive price, you can uncheck this option. Next, you can select the purchase tax. If you have any preferred supplier for this product, you can select the preferred supplier. After that, you can click this save and close button, and you can close this screen. Or if you want to enter new item, you can save this, and if you want to add another item, you can click this save and new. If you click this save and close button, it will save this item and close. If you click this save and new, it will save this item, and it will refresh for the screen to enter new item. Right, like that you can create your items. After you create items, you can view that list of items, item name, quantity on hand, category, SKU, type, prices, costs. Those details you can view. By settings, you can customize these columns. If you want to add column, you can check this column, and if you want to remove any column from the list, you can uncheck these column names. Next, you can filter products, active status, type. You can select by category. You select QBO and apply. Now only QBO products will display here. Then if you have given any reorder levels, you can view from here. Now you can get alerts out of stock, initial cost missing, then low cost. Like this, you can get notification if your stock levels going down. Right, these are the low on stock. Next, you can sort by clicking these headings. Now if you want to view or you can, if you want to sort by price, you can sort. You can sort by ascending or descending order. You can sort by type, item type. You can sort by item category, quantity on hand. Like that, you can sort items by clicking these headings. Next, you can print this item list. If you want, you can export this item list, and you can view how many products in your system. By selecting these items, you can adjust quantity, adjust reorder level, make inactivate, or assign category. Like that, you can do bulk changes. Like that, you can add your items to the system.